Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, Sweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
नमस्ते, मैं मीनू लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए गाइडेंस May 4th week, which is 27th May to 2nd of June, for health according to Mokshpat board. The board says, आपकी हेल्थ, आपके स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखना आपका ही परम धर्म है। इस सप्ताह आप इस बात को न सिर्फ समझ पाएंगे बल्कि इस पर अमल भी करेंगे, क्योंकि जान है तभी तो जहान है। There is a possibility कि कोई नया गुरु, कोई योगा टीचर या फिर कोई आपका दोस्त आपको इंस्पायर करे, प्रेरित करे, एंड विद दैट इंस्पिरेशन आप अच्छी आदतों को, उन आदतों को अपनाना शुरू करें जो आपके स्वास्थ्य को बेहतर रखने में सहायक है। There is a possibility कि कोई आप किसी फ्रेंड के साथ मॉर्निंग वॉक जाना शुरू करें या फिर योगा या फिर कोई और एक्सरसाइज। अगर इस तरह से आप अच्छी आदतों को अपनाएंगे और सही खान पान, सही दिनचर्या रखेंगे तो न सिर्फ आप अपने स्वास्थ्य को बेहतर बना पाएंगे बल्कि दूसरों के लिए भी इंस्पिरेशन बनेंगे। दूसरे लोग भी आपसे इंस्पायर होके अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखना शुरू करेंगे। तो बी दैट इंस्पिरेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक नेक्स्ट गाइडेंस के साथ, नेक्स्ट एस्पेक्ट के साथ। Till then, stay blessed, stay tuned and stay connected. Bye.
Namaste. Today I bring to you guidance on relationships from the divine energy of the Mokshpat board for the week 27th May to 2nd June 2024. The first guidance from the Mokshpat board is to let go of your ego, anger, aggression, or it may create a barrier in your relationships. With the rising summer temperatures, don't let your temperatures rise. Stay calm, stay cool, physically and mentally. The next guidance is for those looking for a life partner. And there's good news for you. Your search for a life partner soon ends. But here, a very crucial advice and guidance from the Mokshpat board is to have complete clarity regarding the attributes that you are looking for in your life partner. Also check whether they are aligned with your energies. It's very important. Guidance for those at work. The Mokshpat board says try not to be too controlling or dominating at work with your peers and your subordinates. It would do good to take their suggestions and their opinions because for all you know, their suggestions and opinions amalgamated with yours could create something absolutely out of the world, something extraordinary which will be beneficial for everybody. So keep this in mind and be open to suggestions. A short, quick tip for everybody. Try chanting Om and meditating to stay cool, stay calm. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more next week. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. Before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshpat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to the 4th week of Panch Portal. Today we are going to see from May 27th to June 2nd. My name is Karishma and I'm going to see the aspect of spirituality. The Mokshapata board tells us that this week in spirituality you need movement. Well, we all are made up of energies, and if the body has no movement, it means it is dead. In the same way, even our spirituality requires us to move ahead. And if you're not moving ahead in your spiritual life, it means there is some kind of a blockage. Maybe your negative thinking, your negative aspects, your self-doubt, whether you're doing the right thing or the wrong thing, or whatever you're doing is right or wrong, am I on the right path? All these self-doubts are creating the blockages. Also, you may feel I am too young to get into spiritual life is also a blockage. Because just by going to any religious place does not mean you're spiritual. Spirituality is surrendering to the divine. The Mokshapata board is telling us that we need to meditate. Now, meditation does not mean sitting in one room and meditating. You can also go out for a walk in nature. You can also dance because that also is a form of meditation. Singing. Do whatever you love to do with your soul and your heart. Whatever you do, be present in the now and do it. That is meditation for you. You can also go for a retreat, for a spiritual one, which will align your energies with the divine. Read spiritual books. That will also help to gain insights for yourself. Deep dive into your inner self and see the magic happen. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshapata reader, bringing for you the cosmic guidance for the week of 27th May to 2nd June 2024. The aspect we are taking up today is business. The Mokshapata cautions that whatever business you are doing, it should be according to your taste and you should not just follow social trends blindly. Like many times people see that others are making a lot of money in real estate or in food chains. They would close their own business and invest in property or restaurant, even if they do not have the caliber for it. Any work will give you satisfaction and a sense of growth when it resonates with your personal choices and values. The board guides us against following mercenary trends blindly. In business, you should have knowledge that all resources are being fully utilized to their full potential, and also your skills and talents are being monetized. Mokshapata cautions us against ego, that is insecurity, fear, and complexes regarding self. And also when you feel and want to prove that I am powerful and I am right, which leads to negative actions and result most of the time. To sum it up, put your energy, time, and investment in what resonates with you, and also have the full knowledge about the project before you venture into it. It is important to know the ground reality before any investment. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Keep tuned for more updates.
Namaste, this is Kalpa on Punch Portal weekly reading for the period of 27th May to 2nd June 2024 regarding finance. It's almost 2 months about to end in this new financial year. Let's see what Mokshapata board is suggesting us regarding finance. Mokshapata board suggests us making balanced decision in your financial matter, such as focusing on your balance sheets and making better decisions regarding financial investment. Taking decisive action early in the financial year can be beneficial for the smooth running of your business. It's an optimal period to invest in assets or investment instruments, crack deals, and make well-balanced decisions to monitor your finances effectively. Brief guidances, well-balanced decision leads to more profit. Have a wealthy week ahead. Thank you. Namaste.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.